We're here in Hong Kong. We're checking it out. We got a long layover on our way from San Francisco to Bangkok, and we're here. We've got like 10 hours. We're gonna go get some views, eat some dim sum, just take it all in. We are on our way to catch the Victoria Peak trolley. We get a good view of the city. We stopped and got some baked goods, and we have seen so many people cleaning the streets and the buildings. Tried? Well, we didn't try. We are hiking to Victoria Peak because I wasn't gonna leave for like an hour. But it is a tough hike. Like, so much elevation gain. It's insane. We are pouring sweat. Our lungs are on fire, and I'm like, the elevation is intense. To the top. It's this adorable little building. It's like a mall. Cute little tram. It's a grind. Need some water. What are we doing?
Taking a trolley because we're not strong enough to walk down.
We don't want to walk back down.
I'm gonna lose all my hydration and die.
So we're gonna take the tram back down into the city. Build their scaffolding out of bamboo. It's like so cool. Very different than us. Okay, we're back on the Airport Express. We just had our long layover in Hong Kong. What would be one word you would describe Hong Kong?
Nice.
Clean.
Like a clean San Francisco.
Yeah, really, really clean. So many people sweeping and scrubbing the streets and buildings.
There's barely any honking.
Yeah, really
Like
quiet.
Quiet.
Peaceful.
Clean.
Yeah, it's a nice city. Good infrastructure.
Yeah, really good.
Do you think it was worth it to go to the peak?
Probably. Just to get the little trolley car.
I probably would prefer the tram next time, but if you really want to grind and you have the time, it's nice to know that that's an option.
Yeah.
Oh, it was backwards this time. Alright. Would you come back here?
Totally.
Nice. I think I would too. I think there's more to see, more to do.
Definitely.